5 Best Computer Cables and Connectors. Here is the product number 5. PCI Express Cable. Brand new and high quality. PCIe 1x to 16x mining machine enhanced extender riser adapter with power cable. With power cable and USB 3.0 cable, digging preferred, stable anti-burn. More safer, more efficient, more practical. With 3x solid capacitors, making graphics power supply more stable and secure. Here is the product number 4. Ugreen Sata Cable 3.0. Brand name, Ugreen feature, HDD SATA type, SATA cables products status, stock feature, SATA cable 3.0 SATA. SSD SATA. Cable SATA. Here is the product number 3. Power supply for BTC miner machine. 100% brand new and high quality. Premium quality and super speed. With 3x FP solid capacitors, making graphics power supply more stable and secure. With SATA 15-pin male to 6-pin power cable, more powerful, and reduce the burden of the motherboard. Gold-plated contacts for better connectivity and long life. With side clip to fasten other card. No driver needed. Here is the product number 2. SATA adapter converter cable. Brand name, Ginto. Model number, WS0001. Color, black SATA cable. Length, about 20 cm. Type, SATA cables. Products status, stock. Interface, US 3.0 to SATA 3 cables. Suitable, SSD HDD. Here is the product number 1. 6-pin power cable. Brand name, Magic. Products status, stock. Type, PCIe riser. Feature, PCIe extender card, Express riser card, riser, C-Rise, mining Bitcoin miner, graphics card riser. Check the description below for the link and more items. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Like, comment and share.